Butterflies are unique animals because they aren't born looking like their adult forms. At first, they're just caterpillars. Once they've grown as much as they can, caterpillars attach themselves to a twig or leaf before shedding their outside layer of skin. This reveals a hard skin underneath known as a chrysalis or cocoon. While it's wrapped up, the caterpillar begins to change. Eventually, it becomes an adult butterfly, emerges from its chrysalis, and flies away. Butterflies have 4 wings that are actually made up of tiny scales covered in all kinds of colorful geometric patterns. They flap those pretty wings about 5 times every second. Butterflies can see the colors red, green, and yellow, which helps them to find the best flowers.